Well, hello there, friends. Thank you for joining me on the new Mailbag Sunday. I have two videos coming out every Sunday. Now, in the mornings, I have my usual upholstery tutorial, and in the afternoons is where you're going to see my Sunday mailbag. Make sure that you stick with me every Sunday, and you'll be learning a lot. So now we got two really great questions this Sunday mailbag. The first one comes from Art8285. And he's writing in to say how much he hates my shorts on my YouTube channel. And then we have a second question is going to be from Resident Rev Secutioner, who says some very, very nice things and touching things about my short video. So here we go. So let's see what Art has to say. So what he says is, Richard, love your channel. It's a great start. I have learned so much from you. Thanks for making a regular video. I don't know what the incentive is for all the shorts, but I simply don't watch them. I find them annoying since I watch on a PC and not a phone. So if you could, maybe roll all of the info from the shorts into a weekly standard video, then we can all enjoy. Thank you for all of your hard work. So I gave him a thumbs up and a heart, and what I answered back to him was, hello, Art. Thank you for the feedback and for sharing how you prefer to watch the lessons, as I always appreciate hearing what works best for my viewers. To tell you the truth, YouTube has slowed down showing videos all across the platform. Everyone is getting fewer views than they were 6 months ago. I'm trying to keep my channel alive. I get just as many viewers tell me how they love the shorts, just as many of them that love the long form videos. I personally don't watch short videos, as I am also on a PC. I am making my oldest videos into shorts. In the shorts I have the links to the long form versions. You can either learn something from them or just ignore them. I would really prefer your support though. All of my long form videos are on my channel page, going back 5 years. Just saying. Well, let's get into this one. Well, I understand that everybody has their preferences. Some people like certain things and some people don't like certain things. And it's those same people that don't like those certain things that like the other things. So, how do I win here, right? So to tell you the truth, I really kind of ignored the shorts for a long time, because even on YouTube, people are saying, well, don't put shorts if you're putting long form videos because it's going to affect your viewership. But you know what? In the last few months, the views are way down. So I had to do something to try to maintain my level of momentums. So what I did is I came up with this segment, right? Sunday Mailbag, to help improve my views. Although this isn't doing too well either. I was really considering canceling or not making these anymore, the Sunday Mailbag videos, because nobody's watching them. I literally get like maybe 20% of the views on these videos than I do on my featured tutorial videos. And I kind of feel like the low views on my Sunday Mailbag videos is lowering my averages. So will I keep doing the Sunday Mailbag? Maybe. Maybe not. I still have to give it some more thought. I'm going to give it some more time. But, a few hundred views, I guess, during the week doesn't hurt. But, you know what? And what's it doing to my averages? So I was also told that if I took my worst performing videos and I made them unlisted so that way they're not viewable on my channel, that would bring up my averages. So I tried that for a month and nothing really changed. So I put them back up again. So I really enjoy bringing my old videos back in shorts. They're only like, a minute and a half to maximum 3 minutes long. I really have to cut them up, right? Because I'm taking a half-hour video and I'm cutting it up into 3 minutes. But I always put that full video link in the comments and on the description. So that way, if anybody wants to watch that long form video, they can. They just click on that and they get the full picture. It's a lot of work, doing the long form video, doing the mailbag video, and having a shorts that comes out every day. So I'm hoping you guys are watching them, because you know what, there's a lot of valuable information there, and if you skip over something, you're gonna miss out. So Art here doesn't like my short videos, but you know what, I'm hoping that he would reconsider. If you're watching now, Art, I hope you're watching. This is your feature. So I hope that you would reconsider and start watching my shorts. And you know, you still have that option of clicking off if you're not interested. But you know what? There's that full link there to watch the full video. What more can I say? So Art's suggestion was that maybe I could take all the shorts and roll them all into one weekly standard video so that we can all enjoy. I just can't see that turning into something, because it's just going to probably be a low viewer video segment just like this one is. So I don't want two of those. I'd rather have one really good performing segment like our tutorial videos, and then have two really bad viewership segments like the Sunday Mailbag, and rolling all the shorts into one video. So Art, I hope you appreciate where I'm coming from. If you find value in my upholstery tutorials, now is an easier way to contribute to my YouTube channel. Buy a coffee by scanning this QR code now. Thank you. So tune in every Sunday afternoon for our mailbag segment, where we answer viewers' questions and comments. See you then. And now let's move on to Resident Revsecutioner. His really, really nice comment. Oh my gosh. Here we go. I hope you like this one. So it comes from the video, Something I've Got to Say, and it's a shorts video. It's a video that I made a long time ago. So what he says is, Richard, I've been watching you for years now and have learned so much from you. Humbly, I thank you for everything you've shared. The love and passion you put into everything you touched shines brightly in every video. I'm reminded of an old saying, a wise man plants trees where shade he'll never enjoy. Well, you, sir, have planted so many trees the sun is blotted out. Enjoy your retirement, sir. You've earned it. I said, hello, resident. I said, thank you. That really touched me. Kind of choked me up, really. Just knowing you've been watching for years and learned so much means more than I can say. The love and passion I put into teaching all of you has always been real. And it's comments like yours that remind me why I keep sharing it. That saying about planting trees whose shade you'll never enjoy is beautiful and so true. I will never know the impact I've had. I'm truly honored you feel that way about my work. Thank you for the kind words about my retirement to Palawan as well. I'm grateful for every one of you who's come along on our journey. You know, when I first started making my videos, I had no idea if anybody was even really watching. It took 2 years for the channel to really start taking off. And during that time, it was like ghost town, crickets. And then apparently people started watching and more people watching. And then I started getting these really great comments about how I've helped a lot of people. And now here I am, getting really close to that 100,000. It's the end of July 2026 if you're watching this video. And I'm really getting close now to that 100,000 subscribers. I guess from what I understand is that subscriber count doesn't really count for much anymore. Now it's just really like street cred, I guess. It shows the history. But it's you that have helped me grow. And I have a lot of my true blue commenters that show up every week like clockwork. Man, if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't even be here, to tell you the truth. I'm still really amazed of the people that tune in to watch me every Sunday. And I know that I have to be there every Sunday for you. So that's what pushes me even harder. So really, I try to get my videos shot and edited before Thursday, so that way I can have everything ready for Sunday. You know, there's been a couple times where I've been really busy, and a couple weeks ago I didn't go to bed till 3 o'clock in the morning on a Saturday night because I'm trying to get everything ready for Sunday morning, and that does happen sometimes. Hey, if you're stuck on a project or just want some one-on-one help, let's jump on a private consultation video call. We can look at what you're working on together and we'll get it all sorted out and answer all of your questions. Just head over to my Buy Me a Coffee page with your contribution to lock in a time and we'll talk. The link's down below. But my reward is some of these great comments that I get. I get these comments that it's like, is it true? You know, they say such nice things about me and how I've helped them. And then the people that contribute to my channel through the Buy Me a Coffee, wow, you know, that's the love right there. So look who's making an appearance. This is Miss Nibbles, the Wonderdog. She's the one that you'll see in that video, but she looks a lot older now. I guess she's getting close to about, she's over 10 years, I suppose. But this is Miss Nibbles, the Wonderdog. She's still around. And people, sometimes they comment about her. And she loves her fans. So it's been a long process to get her to go with us to Palawan. Going through all the red tape and documents and all of her vaccinations and documents and more documents. So we're getting ready for that trip here for her pretty soon. And she'll be in paradise while I'm stuck here working. If you stuck around long enough to the end of this video and you just saw Miss Nibbles the Wonderdog, say hi to her in comments. That way I'll know that you watched till the end. These questions are really good questions, and these are questions that you should also be thinking about. If you're thinking about it, put it down in the comments, and we'll keep that conversation going, right? Be sure to get it all in your comments, and who knows, maybe your comment will be featured. I hope you're enjoying our new Sunday afternoon mailbag segment. So until next time. If you like this video, you'll really like the next one.